Two new mobile apps are streamlining the way farmers connect with their retailers to stay supplied and keep their operations running smoothly. I'm here today with Stephen Valenson, CEO of Growers, to talk about the new releases, named Growers and Growers Retail, that just went live October 30th. Stephen, can you give us some details about this new technology?
So the two platforms, farmers use the Growers application and they use it to search for, discover, and request products from their local retailers. And then the Growers Retail application is, of course, used by retailers to respond to those requests and provide feedback and advice and recommendations to farmers that are engaging with them in that way.
Farmers and ag retailers face all sorts of challenges, and that's what typically prompts these improvements in technology. What sort of challenges did you recognize that led you to develop Growers and Growers Retail?
On the farmer side, there is no cohesive single source of truth for them to do research and discovery on new products and how they should or could be used in their existing agronomic programs. It's difficult to Google those solutions. So we put that into a platform that enables them not only to research and discover those products, but also be connected with their local retailers that can provide them and sell them. On the retail side, more and more farmers are embracing technology to manage and run their business. Retail needs to have an answer on how they can address this growing segment of the market and engage with them in the way that they want to be serviced, which is in a digital way, in a more efficient way, and still maintain that relationship. And that's precisely what Growers Retail does.
Meeting these challenges has an impact on the bottom line for farmers and retailers, right? Can you tell us about that?
Yes, for Growers Retail, it's a very simple equation in that access to this platform and the farmers that are using this platform gives them a more efficient, cost-effective way to serve existing customers as well as acquire new ones. So lowering their customer acquisition costs and increasing the amount of farmers that one salesperson can service, it creates exponential ROI. From a farmer standpoint, a lot of the bottom line impact is done in just the efficiency and convenience of organizing their entire input procurement process in one application where all of their records, all of their purchase history can be consolidated in one spot and then exported and reported on for many other purposes.
I understand maintaining the relationships between farmers and retailers was a focus for growers when developing these products. How do these apps navigate that issue?
Traditionally, digital tools have threatened the relationship, not really enabled them. We see this across all industries. And so it was something that we were hyper-focused on when we developed this application. We feel quite proud that we've enabled an environment where both retailers and farmers, as well as manufacturers, are supported in a way where nobody is disrupted. In fact, there's immense value created for all three parties because it's a collaborative ecosystem where manufacturers can support retailers, retailers can support farmers, and farmers ultimately get the value that they need and deserve from their partners in the agribusiness space.
What if a farmer doesn't work with the retailer who's in your network of partners? Can they still use this technology?
Absolutely. In fact, there's a really convenient solution built into the application where if a farmer wants to request products from the local retailer and they do not see them in the platform, they can actually send an invite directly to their sales agronomist from within inside the platform to complete that loop. They can also get access and see and understand what other retailers and product providers are in their area that may have the products that they need.
Is there anything you'd like to add that we missed today?
I want to emphasize the point that what we've delivered to the market is really transformational in the way that farmers and retailers do business, right? We're moving into the 21st century. Technology is definitely going to be more of a bigger picture in how farmers do their business today and 5 years from now. And I feel proud that we finally delivered a solution to the market that brings that efficiency and ease of use that farmers demand and deserve, and does it in a way that actually supports and even enhances the customer experience that retailers can provide to the farmers that they serve.
Well, thank you, Stephen. If you'd like to learn more about Growers and Growers Retail, visit their website at growers.ag. I'm Matt Merritt reporting.